Hello beautiful people, welcome to my crafting show. For today's video, I will share with you how I made these beautiful flowers here. You can make these in an uplift to your project or a decorative one or a keychain for your small business, just like this. If you wish to make this, you're gonna need this metal and of course a yarn of your choice and a fiber fill for stuffing. So let's start. I bought this yarn when I was in Philippines, so if you are in Philippines you can find this in Shopee. Just search mermaid yarn, or you can check Kay's Instagram. Her name is Yarns and Fins. So I will be using 3mm hook. I will start with a magic ring, and in that magic ring I will make 5 single crochet and then slip stitch and then chain 1. After you chain 1, of course, we're gonna need to increase this circle. So by that, I will do 2 single crochet in 1 stitch and in the next 4 stitches. That's a total of 10 single crochet. Again, make 2 single crochet in each stitches. Once you have 10 single crochet, do a slip stitch and chain 1 again. So in this last round, we're gonna increase, but at this time, you're gonna do 1 single crochet in the first stitch, increase in the next. So you must have a total of 15 single crochet once you finish. If you are new to my channel, welcome here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and feel free to share or like or comment in this video. Once you have 15 single crochet, do a slip stitch and chain 1 and then cut your yarn. You can fasten off the yarn the way you want it to, but this is how I do mine. Once you're done securing your yarn, grab the other color and let's start the petals. You can insert your hook in any stitches. I will start with 6 chains and the rest will be an Afghan stitches. As you can see, I'm twisting my project so I can see where I insert my hook. In this round, you must have 6 loops on the hook. Just be mindful where and how I insert my hook. To get that last loops, I twist again my project. Now the right side is facing on me, so make sure you count the loops. I have 6. Insert your hook in the same stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2 loops until you have 2 loops left, and then pull through 2 loops. Now you have 1 loop, chain 1, insert in that first bump, and in this time make sure you have 7 loops on the hook. Once you have 7 loops on the hook, insert in the same stitch and then pull through 2 loops, and then pull through 2 loops until you have 2 loops left. Once you only have 1 loop left, chain 1, skip that first bump, insert your hook in the second bump. So make sure you have 7 loops on the hook. There was 8 bumps in total, so that's why you need to skip that first bump. So now you have 7 loops on the hook. Insert in the next stitch. Pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops until you have 1 loop left. Chain 1, skip that first bump, insert in the next bump and in the next bumps. Again, make sure that you have 7 loops on the hook, and at this time you're gonna insert it in the same stitch. It's a repetitive pattern, as you can see. You just need to remember the first 2 rounds and the last 2 rounds. Between those rounds are the same. So chain 1, skip that first bump, insert your hook in the second. Make sure you have 7 loops in the hook. This time you're gonna insert it in the third stitch. You see, I have 2 rounds in each stitch. So pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Just follow how I do it. So once you have 1 loop left, do not chain. Just insert your hook in that first bump and make sure you have 6 loops on the hook. Insert your hook in the same stitch, pull through 2 loops, and once you have 1 loop left, do a slip stitch and then slip stitch in the last or in the same stitch. And that's our first petals. So you're gonna repeat this process until you have 5 petals. So again, I will show you how to do it one more time. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Oh, by the way, you can cut all those extra yarns. So I slip stitch in the next stitch, and I'm gonna do the first 6 chains as my foundation for each petals. I suggest you make your own written pattern since you already see how it works. This is just a tips, just so you know where you make the transition and the repetitive pattern. I'm assuming you are very serious while watching my tutorial, but yeah, thank you very much. I hope you can check my other video tutorial, and also I'm very active in shorts video, if you know what I mean. So I hope you can check that one too. I also hope that you can check my Instagram and my TikTok. I have the same name, Andrew Crafts or Andrew Craft Show. But yes, I also have Instagram and TikTok. I hope we can follow each other there. And that's pretty much it. I will let you do the rest of the petals, and I will see you back when you finish all the 5 petals. Just showing you how I finish my project. So if you want to make it as a decorative one, you need to block the project and stretch that petals. But if you wish to make a keychain for your business, make 2 of this, but make sure the other petals or the first petals you will leave a long tail for sewing later when you are stuffing or inserting the fiber fill in the project. I hope I make sense and I hope I explain it well. This is how you do the sewing, and if you want to do or proceed to make a keychain. If you have further questions, please feel free to comment. I will try my best to get back to you. I hope you enjoyed this video and I appreciate your support, really. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!